So, right, I have to find my presentation. Great. Good morning, HEPEXers, those that are here in person and those that are with us online. And happy birthday, HEPEX. It's actually great to be here in this part of the world to celebrate the 20 years of this initiative. I don't think actually that I was a hydrologist 20 years back. So it's actually good and very informative for me as well to meet some of the founders of this initiative here, and of course to continue the momentum of HEPEX to the new generation of hydrologists. Yeah, actually my name is Ilias Pechlivanidis, and I'm coming from the Swedish Meteorological and Hydrological Institute. I'm an associate professor and senior researcher there, and I'm actually one of the 4 co-chairs of HEPEX for the past 7 years. And for those that they do not know HEPEX, this is my role today to give you a short presentation of what we do, what I've been doing. And it all started as an experiment on hydrological and sample predictions. And now I can proudly say that we are an international community of practice. And you will see why we're such a community of practice. Very strongly engaged on working in hydrological and sample predictions. And this is how everything started. So everything began in 2004, and in this meeting that happened at ECMWF in Reading in the UK. And actually I was very surprised to see one presentation from Martin Clark, because I know everybody's presentation. Actually, I have to say that I was really checking everybody's presentation. And I noticed in Martin's presentation, this is a spoiler alert, you have this nice photo of a workshop in 2005. And it was so nice to see some of the people that I know that they are present today and see the same people 20 years after. So it's really great. And I can actually proudly say that in 2021, we had another branch of HEPEX running by the early career scientists. So just to say that we are giving equal voice and sometimes even stronger voice to early career scientists. So your role here is very important as well for that. And we have been organizing workshops, sessions at different conferences. Soon we're going to have EGU in Vienna, and there are HEPEXers organizing sessions there. Of course, we have our website with different blogs. So if something is state-of-the-art scientifically, we want to outreach it to the entire community. And we have our mailing list, and of course we have been running webinars, games and lectures with material available online. Just to say that, I mean, here we are just a fraction of the community, but in our mailing list there are 700 subscribers all around the world. So it's very good to see these numbers also increasing and increasing with time. So we have a single mission, which I'm about to read now. It's to demonstrate the added value of hydrological and sample prediction for different sectors, water-related sectors, with applications on operational water resources management, risk assessment, emergency management, and help people making decisions with important consequences for economy, environment, public health, and safety. So it's a very important mission that that has been set up for years now, and to achieve that, we just have to connect multiple dots. So we have to connect people with experience, we have to connect techniques, models, and tools, and also we have to connect disciplines. And this actually pie chart is very insightful, because that tells us that we are not only scientists, but we also have decision makers and also service providers in this community of practice. So therefore we have to understand what every person understands from different perspectives and try to enhance hydrological and sample predictions. Now, I mentioned that we are 700 subscribers, and the blog has been running for almost more than 10 years actually now, with quite many views per month. And that was a photo of another workshop that took place in Melbourne in 2018. So it was just the last one before COVID. It was a very nice workshop, and I hope we will have a very nice photo as well for the next presentation. We do have an X account. Let's see how long it continues. But if you want to do some tweet, you can hashtag HEPEX and put your post there. And something that I really enjoy is that we have also a music playlist. It's more than 1.5 hours. And yeah, hope you can go there in Spotify, and you can also list your own music, maybe related to water. Right, we do have our blog, which we try to update frequently. So whatever is related to, for instance, this workshop, you can find the information in the blog. Whatever is also related to EGU that is coming up, there's another blog for that. And another added value of the community is the effort towards education. So I mentioned before that their training materials, their serious games and lectures and webinars, that they're all listed in the website. So if you have a question about hydrological and sample predictions, just go through the website, just scroll around, and maybe you will find the right information for you. A very important outcome of HEPEX is actually the handbook of hydrometeorological and sample forecasting, and Andy has the handbook here if you want to have a look. It's 2 volumes, volume 1 and 2, and in total it goes to 1,528 pages.
6.3 pounds of thoughts.
Right. Good. And yeah, we have to connect the dots, right? And these are only some of the topics or the subtopics that we have been working on as a community. So seamless forecasting across space and time, different scales from global to continental to regional to local, on communication of these predictions and visualization, forecasting evaluation, and of course these strong links with the private sector to understand the needs, and also with the early career scientists. And how you can join HEPEX if you are not already subscribed to that? Well, you can talk to or email one of the co-chairs, and I'm one of them. There's also Maria Melibusser from Canada, we have James Bennett from Australia, and we have Frederick Vederhall from the UK. So there's, you can send an email to us, and of course visit the website. And that takes us to today's workshop. So according to my database, we have more than 110 participants, either in person or online. And they're coming from different parts of the world. And this is really great, because that means that some of us had to travel quite many hours to be here. But we are very glad to see Tuscaloosa and also have this wonderful weather. For me, it was 20+ degrees increase coming from Sweden. We almost had snow in some part of the country. But yes, we are here just to discuss hydrological forecasting and and research to operations, and also operations to reach the research applications. And for the abstracts we have received, we have in total 8 oral sessions. We also have 5 poster blogs, and we have 3 invited talks. Rob is here, we have Hirin and Stefan from WMO, and we also have our experts on AI and machine learning. Just to say that all presenters will have 9 minutes to finish their talk, and that will give them 1 minute for 1 question. So the agenda is tight, so please stick to time. There will be plenty of opportunities to discuss. It's a workshop, okay? So the objective is not to present and disappear, but to stay and discuss. So people will approach you during the lunch break, coffee breaks, and so on. There's going to be a chair running the show. We have organized it in a way that we have 3 to 5 presentations and then open discussion. And this open discussion could be either questions to the presenters or to, like, you bring a topic and there's going to be an open discussion for everybody, so everybody could have a voice. We are also running 2 breakout sessions for brainstorming. And when it comes to the poster blogs, so you're going to have your 90 seconds pitch, and then we're going to meet you at the posters. So when they're at the poster sessions, we will ask those 5 poster presenters, or 6, to line up here, and you're going to go one after the other, so that we're not losing time. So with that, I thank you. I really hope we're going to have a wonderful workshop. Once again, thanks to the university here for hosting us. Thanks to the local organizers, Hamid, Steve, thanks a lot, Lana, Gabi, and also the organizing and the scientific committee. So enjoy, and once again, happy birthday, HEPEX.